Welcome to our channel Pure Intentions. Today we'll be doing a review on the Agiiman portable 450 PSI pressure washer. This device is portable and it is battery operated. You see me here with the bottle in case I wanted to add any chemicals or soaps. I'll now insert the hose with the filter and let's go. Nothing. Alright, so nothing happened. What could be the problem? After analyzing the device and reading some reviews, I was told to prime it. So here you see me priming it by just turning it upside down and pouring some water directly in the inlet. Reconnecting the hose and let's try again. All right, progress, but no pressure. So I thought maybe the pressure just needs to be built up, but then I remembered there was some attachments that came with the device. All right, so after I inserted the attachments, wow, now the results are in. It is working. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's see what it's made of. All right. Wow. After using this device, the whole setup, everything, I would definitely give it a 9.5 out of 10. Reason being, there was no instruction how to prime the device. I had to do that research on my own via the internet and reviews from other customers. However, this device is definitely worth having in your garage, your shed. Must have for any on-the-go person.